Visit the sponsor.
For a while. It's made in the USA, and it's 100% natural. It's also organic. That's important. Organic is good, and I can tell you that the hemp is sourced from Colorado, Oregon, Florida, and other states. When you seek out more detailed information, like the sports medicine doctors that work with the professional sport, the players are taking CBD. Why? Because it works. So do your education and your diligence. Get out there, look around, and learn more about CBD. Please like, share the video, and have a beautiful day.
No stress over here. Yeah.